Convenient way to enable/disable Hyper-V in Windows 8. I really like the Hyper-V support in Windows 8, however, there are some situations in which I need to disable Hyper-V in order to run some apps which don't like to be executed even in the root partition of the virtualized environment. What I've been currently doing is disabling the feature completely from the Add or Remove Windows Features dialog and restarting, enabling it again when needed. I would like to know if there's any better way to do this that comes to mind. It could even be a shortcut that I could double-click and will actually add or remove the feature for me and restart. I guess this may be possible with a PowerShell script.
Disclaimer, I haven't done this for removing a feature, and as a final caveat there's probably going to be a slew of Windows updates to install every time you enable it again. Having said that, from an elevated command prompt, and here's what running the enable command looks like on my PC, which already has Hyper-V enabled and running. When enabling the feature, since it's Hyper-V, it might ask you to reboot and run the command again. That seems vaguely familiar. You could wind up having to reboot twice, in other words. But maybe it won't do it to you since that machine already had Hyper-V enabled before.
This is an old answer, but for the sake of completeness and because I knew there was a better way than the top result. You should run both commands from an elevated command prompt. To disable hypervisor. To re-enable hypervisor, changing it to default value. Of course it still requires restart.
You could create two boot entries, so you could choose to decide to boot a system with or without Hyper-V. Type the following in the command prompt. It says. Then type the following command.
Hit the Windows key and type Windows Features. Hit the Windows key plus W combo to bring up the Windows Settings panel of the Start screen. Click on Turn Windows Features on or off. When the Turn Windows Features on or off dialog appears, look for Hyper-V and deselect it. Click OK. Restart your computer when prompted. Install VMware Workstation. Enable Hyper-V again through the Turn Windows Features on or off dialog. Restart your computer. For Windows 10, press Windows key. Type Turn Windows Features on or off. Deselect checkbox next to Hyper-V. Select OK. Select Restart now.